Hey guys, it's Tigger and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how I put together these adorable Winnie-the-Pooh Cakesicles, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm beginning with some pre-made Cakesicles, but if you want a more in-depth tutorial, I will leave links below, as well as information on how I mixed my chocolate to get these bright, vibrant colors. So I'm going to begin with Piglet today. I'm starting out with some hot pink fondant, and I'm going to use a large round tip, and I'm going to punch out 2 circles. Then I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and I'm going to cut off just a little snip of this fondant, and I'm going to roll this into my fingers to make the shape of Piglet's nose. It is kind of difficult. I don't really know how to explain it, but I am making a rounded triangular shape. Then I am going to take my boo-boo stick and I am just going to put a little triangle at the end of one of these rounded circles, and I am just going to pinch the ends of that triangle together, and I'm going to pinch the top of this circle to give it the shape of ears. So here we have his little ears already. And then I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and just snip off the end right here so that it has a flat base, so it's easier to stick onto the Cakesicle. Alright, so now we've got most of Piglet's features done. I'm going to go ahead and attach his nose, and with a little bit of chocolate as glue, I'm going to go ahead and attach his ears. Now I took some black fondant and I used that to create his facial features. So here we have some eyes, and I don't think I need to go into detail to tell you guys how to roll up tiny balls of fondant and little teeny weeny snakes to make the mouth, but that's what I did here. And I'm just using tweezers to attach everything because it's so tiny. And then using an edible marker, I am just adding on some details here for Piglet. And we are all done. He's so adorable. Now we're going to move on to Tigger. Tigger is a bit more difficult. Again, we're starting out with some golden yellow fondant this time. I'm using a number 12 tip, and I'm going to punch out 2 small circles. And then I'm going to use the open end of a really large tip, and I'm going to punch out a really big circle. Right above that circle, I'm using my boo-boo stick again. I'm using the flat end, and I'm just creating what looks like a little house on top of that circle that I just cut out. And this is actually going to be the portion where Tigger's eyes and eyebrows are. So I'm just going to take my X-Acto knife now and I'm going to cut that out. Then I'm going to take this giant circle and I'm going to kind of elongate it into a bit of an oval shape. And then using the open end of a piping tip again, I'm just going to snip off the top. And with some bright orange fondant, I am going to take a large round tip and I am going to punch out 2 circles. I've already pre-made the nose right here. I'm going to set that to the side, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab one of these orange circles and one of these smaller yellow circles, and I'm just going to place this right sort of towards the end like that. And then using my boo-boo stick again, we're going to make another triangle, and then we're just going to connect the ends of that triangle, and we're going to mold this into sort of a tear shape. And there we go. So I already have all of his features right here. I used an edible marker to add on the eyes and eyebrows, and the boo-boo stick to add on the mouth. And now I'm just going to use tweezers, and I'm just going to attach all of his little pieces, and I'm using paint brushes to hold his ears in place while they dry. And again, I used some black fondant rolled into tiny, tiny snakes, and I used those to add on his details. Our next Cakesicle is Winnie-the-Pooh. We are starting out with that golden yellow fondant again, and I am using a large round tip, and I am punching out 2 circles for his ears. I'm using my boo-boo stick again, of course, and we are going to make a little triangle at the end. We're going to pinch the ends of that triangle together and just kind of smash the top of this circle just a little bit and smash the bottom. This creates a nice flat edge so that it's easier to stick on the Cakesicle. Now I'm going to go ahead and start creating all of his little facial features using some black fondant. We have his nose and a tiny snake mouth, and I'm also creating extremely tiny eyebrows, and yes, this was painstaking and pretty difficult. And then I also used some fondant to make tiny eyes. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of chocolate and I'm just going to go ahead and start attaching everything on. And then using my edible marker again, I'm going to add on his features just like we did Piglet. And there is our favorite bear. Now we're going to move on to the last cakesicle. We are doing Eeyore. So I am starting out with the opened end of a large round tip and I am cutting out a circle. And this is going to be the snout for Eeyore. So this gray is a little bit lighter than his body. And I'm just going to take the open end of a smaller tip and I'm just going to pinch off the sides here. And then I'm just going to smooth out these edges a little bit so they're not so rough. Then using a stitch-like fondant tool, I'm just going to create a small curve on the top of his snout. And then using my boo-boo stick, I'm just going to create that little smirk right at the bottom. And using an edible marker, I'm just going to create two little dots down here for his nostrils. Now I'm going to go ahead and add this onto the cakesicle. Now I know that you see ears, ignore them. I decided to go with a totally different look, so just bear with me. Okay, so now that we have on the snout, we're going to go ahead and start adding on the features. Here I have a tiny drop of white fondant that I've made into a little teardrop shape. This is going to be the eyes. And we're just going to add this right on. And then using an edible marker, we're going to make the little center. And then I'm also going to use this edible marker to add some of the details to Eeyore's face. Then using tiny snakes of black fondant, again, we're going to add on hair. And we're also going to add on eyebrows. And you can use your boo-boo stick to add some texture to the eyebrows as well. And now we're going to work on the ears. So I have a large circle this time and I'm stretching and smoothing it out into an oval. And then I'm going to take some of this pink right here, which is also in a medium-sized circle, and I am just going to smooth this out like the first circle. I'm going to pinch these two together. Then I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and I'm just going to kind of cut the ends off, sort of like a little bit of a triangle shape. And then again, with my boo-boo stick, of course, we are going to put a triangle at the end. And then we're just going to pinch and roll this up a little bit. And now we're just going to add this on to Eeyore. And there we go. We are all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun to make with you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.